Here we have two black-headed coyotes and a little hawk-headed parrot in that front. We have a hawk in its own South American crested parrot. We'll get a hole. Let's see if we can get it on. Come here. Let me see you. Can you do your little crest? Can you do your crest? Can you do it? No? No? Want to do it? No. I don't think he's going to do his crest. Pretty awesome when he does. Here we have the guy with the black beak is a dusty piner. And then we have either a cinnamon or a pineapple green cheek, a yellow-sided green cheek in there. And then we have our baby double yellow-headed Amazon. And you can see we have the powder blue Quaker. And we have a green Quaker and a regular blue Quaker. And over here we have some Congo African Greys. Hi guys, what you doing? I know, they're cute. How cute are you guys? Okay. So we go for a walk out into the store. This is our baby room. You can see we have a large selection of cages right now. And let's see what we got. Oh, we got a customer who might not want to be on video. I can edit it out. Here we have a yellow-named Amazon. We'll be getting another baby in a couple weeks. And here is our Mexican redhead. He has it's her second day out. And we have a lilac-crowned Amazon right here. Look how pretty. And a Mexican redhead in the back. And there's Miranda. Can you wave to us, Miranda? Hi! Hey, everybody! Alrighty. We've got our little cinnamon cockatiels. Look at our little cuties. And we have a little budgie, English budgie. And we'll go in here. What's in our baby room? Our Pioni. These have not been coming here. We have some more English budgies. We have a blue one and another green one. And we have our white-capped Pioni. Hey guys! What are you doing? Here is our other white-capped Pioni. Hey! What are you doing? They should be turned later in the week. Not quite planted yet. A little better flow. Here we have a regular green cheek and a yellow-sided green cheek. You can see the difference in the coloration. And we have some more baby Quakers. These are just our blue and green. This group's a little bit older. And then we have a pineapple, green cheek, and then you can see the difference in the back. The one in the back is the cinnamon. You can see the one less yellow. If you're looking at the color mutation. Oh my goodness, we cannot forget our gorgeous sun conure. What are you doing? You gonna come out? Hi! Oh, look how gorgeous you are. This guy's going to lose most of his green. Look at it. Gorgeously, almost all yellow.